Alright, let's start a session. Too much of a voice here. Alright, sure. So it looks like it's good right now. Welcome everyone. Welcome to another session. Sorry I'm late a little bit. So we're gonna be a little bit faster on going over there, over the pairs. Looking at USD JPY, what we exactly talked about happened, a sudden retrace or reject or whatever you want to say, call it. Pretty nice move here. Not that it's tradable for me personally, but just knowing what's gonna happen and avoiding a loss is also a win in my opinion. Oh, sorry. Gotta go back here. So yeah, welcome everyone. So yeah, USD JPY pretty massive drop. They on Tuesday they made a high. On Wednesday they worked it, and then Thursday this is what we call midweek reversal. And looking at US30, this pair also I took a trade yesterday on this. The GBP USD and Euro USD that I had 2 days ago, they got stopped out, and we'll go over them. But the US30 yesterday was very nice trade, very nice trade. You can see they came basically, that's a 9 a.m. candle, and by 9:15, 9:30, I can take it to 15 minutes. By 9:15, you can see here they had this actually it's 9:30, they had this stop hunt, and then once it closed like that, I entered. My entry was basically right here, and then I kind of got out of it. I don't know why it doesn't show the indicator things here. So I'm gonna do this. Alright. Sorry. So the reason I also closed it there is you can see the level got hit, came right back down, and I closed it right here before the complete push, which is so it's a combination of getting the direction from DMA, perfect rejection, take profit from DMA to, sorry, the levels, so pretty solid. That was a good one. Now GBP USD and Euro USD, both of them we took a sell on them and didn't work out. In fact, this completely stopped us out yesterday. I didn't really touch it, sorry, 2 days ago. I didn't touch it yesterday. And if we want to go, I'm not sure if there was a student who called this with me. I was in GU and he called EU, and I got into EU as well. But just to kind of let you know, the thought process behind that loss for me was a rejection. Okay, the rejection was not really visible in neither daily or 3 hour. There was a respect but not rejection. Rejection means something like this, where price fails to break it. So if I wanna give you a better example, when you are in a scenario like this, when you see this rejection up here, now you can trust these, right? Or when you see a rejection like this, you can trust it a little bit more. But in a situation like this or this, where we took the trade, you are not seeing any rejection, and that's why the loss happens, right? Looking at US30, honestly, it is working at that high. It's very possible for that high to be broken. However, it's neither close to DMA or level for me to enter. I'll wait a little bit. Maybe we see stop hunts like yesterday to this level or here. Then I would enter. But not right now. So GBP USD right now it's at daily DMA. Euro USD also it's kind of rejecting it. We're gonna leave it for a couple days or maybe till tomorrow. Looking at gold, they worked around that low. We also took this 2 days ago. If this was also so we had 4 trade. We had gold, Euro USD, GU and US30. The gold trade we entered here and the TP was here for me and it got smashed and then never came back to it. As of right now, I don't see no reason for it to be bearish so far. It's breaking all the DMAs. We have a cross in 30 minutes. I think we're gonna see some more bullish push to this. Looking at GBP Canadian, I do like it very much. It's just far from all these DMAs down here. It looks okay in 30 minutes. I prefer waiting for a better price to get it. Same with Euro Canadian, to be honest. And I really don't want to miss this because I called it for like what, probably around here 40 days. It's been a month almost that I've been saying that this is gonna make a new high, and it is right at the high, around the highs, which is not bad, to be honest. I do like the momentum as well. I'm gonna put these two together so I can see the EuroCAD and US30 together. Quickly going through the rest. GBP JPY, we had that break perfectly to 30 minutes DMA and level with the bullish engulfing. The daily been hit. Let's see. It is at that 3 hour too. I like GJ actually. The safest stop loss would be 81 pip. Less safe would be 50 pips to enter for this one. It definitely has more place to go down to, a little bit, to be honest. Yeah. Let's take a look at Euro JPY. Yeah, with the UJ drop like that and GJ and EJ, I will leave GJ alone. US CHF finally have some sort of drop as well. Same with US dollar Canadian. Not much, but a little bit. The Euro AUD, nothing really. They're doing the induction. I don't trust it right now. I'm gonna make it a little faster here because we have 5 minutes to 9:30. I don't really see much on the rest. That's why they're on the red. Not ready really. Bitcoin looking like they finally hit that level one more time and started to gain some momentum. They broke that low too. They broke the 60,000. It's a new moon too. Yeah, I think the bullish crypto is about to start. And I'm happy to say I had a buy right here on Ripple at $1. $1.01. So hopefully it's gonna start pushing it from here. Going back to these two to see what's up. Too extended. And Euro Canadian. So they put the high, came up. I think Euro Canadian. I believe US30 gonna push. Just I don't like the entry or the price that it is right now. In 15 minutes, you can kind of do some. Let's see. We wait a couple more minutes. Maybe it's a no trade day. Maybe just the Euro CAD. I'm gonna check the position size on the Euro Canadian. So if you put the buy stop here, stop loss 161,800. So I know my position there. Just waiting to see if I want to enter. It's at 5 minutes. DMA 15 minutes is bullish, but far from it. Far from almost all averages. Euros are bullish though, so the Euro CAD might be a better option. Actually, they did hit that level pretty nicely too. We'll see. 1 more minute. US30, I don't think it's gonna give us the time, but Euro CAD is pushing it down a little bit. Just observing how candles behaved around the level. It's a bit tricky with the Canadian dollars coming down, but I'm gonna trust the analysis that I had from longest time. I got into Euro CAD. Let's see, US30. US30 hit that level. Let's say it comes and stop hunt. That would be nice. I'm not sure if there's any sort of news today. Let's check that. 8:30 we had a non-farm employment change. Is it LFA today? Tomorrow, how much of it goes to? There was a cat news, 9:30 exactly. So looking at US30. They are working that 52,800 level a lot. Quite sometimes now. Coming down nicely. The reason I'm in 5 minutes here is because they are too extended, so they're kind of respecting those. So I'm watching the behavior on those. Yeah, the US30 is kind of playing around that level. I think it's gonna be broken to upside. Alright. So if you wish to enter the EuroCAD and the US30 needs a massive stop loss. But the EuroCAD is kind of okay. Stop to you. And that looks like the only pairs for today. I don't like the rest. And yeah. So we can maybe go ahead. It's a pretty slow day in my opinion. Okay, so we got them both here. Don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna go. So I'm just gonna turn the AC on real quick. Today is a Portugal match. And it's happening here in Toronto. At Toronto Stadium. Which used to be called BMO Field. And I was actually checking to see if the bets are better or worse right now. Because before the first game, I bet on Portugal. And it's gonna win outright. So today, Portugal. So if you put 100, it will give you 170. Nothing really happening in the market right now. The trades I took are on kind of on my entry, didn't go anywhere. Number 2. Let's get into some games. Fix the sound. Did it? No. Ow. He's living on your freaking head. US30 is starting to push up. Trades real quick. So US30 is in profit. EuroCAD is there. Didn't go anywhere really. But looks like US30 is about to make its move. See if finally gonna make that new high, or it's still gonna play around. I think I'm in a Russian server. I can kill anyone. How with one did you hit me? side, the other side kills you. I know somebody's gonna come from here. Imagine he shows up now and kills me before I do anything. More chance now for him to come in. Yes. That's what I was waiting for. Come on. Oh, nice push, US30. Good push on the US30 so far. About the knife. All right, so US30 pushing up as you can see on the screen. Let me get out of here. 15-minute candle closed. Let's take a look at those real quick. Beautiful. Took this US30 to the up 4 times already. Willing to take it more and more. And Euro Canadian, it's not invalid or anything. I like US30 better. I want to quickly go over the rest. GCAD also was looking good to buy. I didn't like the placement. No to EU and GU. Gold push is happening right now. Lots of people sold at that high thinking high is broken. GJ also pushing up. I didn't expect that. Not much of a push, to be honest. 15 minutes broken. Didn't touch the daily DMA yet. Pips around. I would wait a little, guys, because we had just the first touch here. I would wait a little bit. Yeah. On JPYs specifically, because they are all looking down, so that's why. You can also dropping your AUD, pretty same thing. GBP AUD 2. So yeah, nice filtering. Back on them. Jeez. Thank you, US30. We love you, US30. High is broken. You're witnessing a new high, new all-time high created at US30, and you've been in the buy, and it's being called for multiple days right here at my live stream. So really don't have anything to do right now. Just gonna wait. We'll see you guys tomorrow. If we reach this level, I'll probably be closing most of my position. Maybe it pushes up to here too. Depends on how aggressive you want to go. I'll make sure to manage the trade. And Euro Canadian too. Just gonna leave it hanging. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like this stream, subscribe to the channel, and let your friends know that we call the best setups here every day, 9 a.m.